Hello viewers, this is Miss Misty and I welcome in my channel. So in the previous video we have learned about ionic bonds, and in this video we're going to learn about covalent bonds. So covalent bond are formed when two or more atoms join together by mutual sharing of electrons. Okay, so to understand the definition, we are having an example of formation of oxygen gas. Okay, as we all know in the previous video that a covalent bond is a bond between non-metal and non-metal. Okay, between non-metal and non-metal. So here we have the example of oxygen gas. So as you know, the chemical formula, it is O2, where there are two oxygen are combining together. So here, using the Lewis structure, I have drawn the structure of both of the atoms of oxygen. This is the first atom of oxygen and this is the second one. So as we know that oxygen has total number of 8 electrons in total, and as we can see that 2 electrons are in innermost shell and the valence shell has 6 electrons. So because there are 6 electrons in the outermost shell or valence shell, how many electrons are needed to complete the octet? Yes, we need 2 electrons to complete the octet here and here as well. Both of them need 2 electrons, right? It means that if this oxygen atom gains 2 electron, it will get stability because its octet rule will be fulfilled. Similarly, if this oxygen atom gains 2 electron, it will get stability also. Okay, now to stabilize themselves, these two atoms comes together and mutually share two electrons. It means that one pair of dotted electron comes from this oxygen and another pair of crossed electrons comes from this oxygen. Okay, one pair of dotted electron, one pair of crossed electron comes together and shares mutually these two pairs of electron between. Okay, yes, so we say that two pair of electrons are shared between these two oxygen atoms to form oxygen gas O2. Also, you must know that these two shared pair of electrons are neither belong to this oxygen atom nor to this. Rather, they belong to both atoms. Okay, therefore we say that when electrons are mutually shared by atoms, they form covalent bond. And one more thing you have to know, that if we talk about the types of covalent bond, there are 3 types of covalent bond. That is, first one is single covalent bond, second one is double covalent bond, third one is triple covalent bond. So if we are talking about single covalent bond, that means one pair of electron will be mutually shared, just as in the chlorine gas. Okay, so there will be one single covalent bond between them. In double covalent bond, there will be two pair of electrons will be shared, such as oxygen. As we can see that two pair For this one I'm using one line, for this pair I'm using one line. So we can say that in oxygen gas there is double covalent bond between oxygen and oxygen atom. When talking about triple covalent bond, there will be sharing of three pairs of electrons. Okay, so single covalent bond is a mutual sharing of one pair of electron. Double covalent bond is a mutual sharing of two pair of electrons, as you can see the example here. And triple covalent bond is a mutual sharing of three pairs of electrons, such as nitrogen gas. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep learning, keep growing.